Hello,
Hello,
everybody.
Please subscribe and
To the Bearded Practitioner
website.
Yeah. And we're trying something new today.
Yeah, we're doing an unboxing for... Ooh, it doesn't say today. This will be the real mystery.
It is from New Jersey.
Ooh, that's far.
Where do you think New Jersey is? But do you know where it's even further from?
It's far from here.
Yeah, where's New Jersey?
It's on northeast.
Oh, very
Northeast,
good.
next to Mississippi. Not Mississippi, New Hampshire.
No, New York. South of New York, but.
Oh, wait. Well, we're going to open this up with these scissors right here.
Yep. Are you going to open them?
Yep. And can you tell us who made this?
Well, this is from a company out of Israel.
Can you tell us, like...
Aleph Male.
Who's the person who made them? What's the company's name?
Aleph Male.
Aleph Male. Alright, so here is a letter. I think it's a letter.
Oh, that is. Ooh.
Oh. Ooh.
It's a sticker.
Is that a car sticker? Or just a normal?
It's a regular sticker. See? Ooh, look at that. There we go. Very good.
Alright, so this is taped. And I don't have nails, so you're going to have to use this.
It's taped because it says... has a little thing.
No.
Has a lot of information.
No,
So...
I have a beard.
Okay, so, ooh, this is taped very nicely.
Alright, says, ooh.
Ooh, here we go. Has a lot of information.
Whoa.
So this company is out of Israel, and the owner is living in Israel, but he's actually was from America.
Which one do you think
and
we
he
should
moved
do
to
today?
Israel.
The bomb or the oil?
We can try either one. They're both the same scent.
We'll do oil. Or is this a soap?
Boy, this is really well wrapped. No, this is an oil.
Okay, this is an oil. Ooh, yeah, I'm getting it. Let's go. Got it. Ooh,
that's a...
It says Sukkot beard oil, handmade in Israel by Aleph Male.
Aleph Male. Yes.
Aleph Male.
What do you think? Israel. Where is Israel?
I do not know.
It is a country that is in the Middle East. And it's very...
The wrapping feels awesome.
Do you like it?
I like the wrapping.
Do you like the wrapping?
I feel like the wrapping.
The labeling. Oh, that is nice. That's nice.
Why does it have these 7 candles?
Ooh, that's a good question because it is a Jewish-owned company. Do you know what Jewish is? It is a different religion.
Oh.
So,
wait, isn't that the religion where there's like 9 candles? You have to light all of them up, like all of them, and then they keep
like
going.
Hanukkah?
Yeah, Hanukkah.
Yep, that is the religion that is based. Yep, that's the menorah.
All right, let's go. I want to.
Ooh, look at that.
I'm always the one who smells first.
Oh, he's the sniffer. He's the king sniffer.
Just like that beard oil said.
What do you think? You like it?
I love this smell.
What is it? Does it smell like?
It smells
Oh,
really good.
that is really nice.
And
it has my favorite in there. I know what it is.
I'm pretty sure this is unboxing.
Has a little bit of lemongrass in it.
And I'm pretty sure this is unboxing number 1 for you two. So we've done a bunch of more unboxings on a different thing. Dad, can you tell us what that different thing is?
This is actually another unboxing that we put on YouTube.
All right, so this is our second unboxing, right?
Second or third.
Second or third, all right. Well, we're going to start keeping track.
Okay, you get to open
this is our second one. So
I noticed that it was really, really good packaging.
Now.
Ooh, very Very nice.
Now, I can't wait to smell this one because I'm pretty sure I've said it on here before, but the beard from the balm, the butter, always smell a little different from the oil, even when they're the same things.
Sometimes you're sometimes right. Sometimes they smell closer, and sometimes they don't.
Yeah,
Let's see
like
what this one smells.
this one smells super close. Like I feel like if they added just like 2 more drops of whatever they added in that one,
It'd be the same.
it would smell exactly like this. But with the oils, since it's liquefied, it mixes more.
Yeah.
This is
What do we do with bombs? You know what we put in bomb? Why we do bombs?
for the beard.
It's for the beard, and then the oil's for
The oil,
the skin under
yeah.
the beard.
the
So
oil.
this one moisturizes
Wait.
and gives it some hold.
So the oil, my dad usually does the butters and balms at night time.
Butters at night, yep.
Yeah, and he does the oils and that in the morning time.
Oils and bombs in
Yeah.
the night, yep.
So it doesn't smell too different.
Nope, but
Like-
it definitely has that
Like I was talking about.
lemongrass, which I absolutely love lemongrass.
Like I was talking
And
about.
is one of my favorite scents ever.
Like I was talking about.
Smells
So
so good.
liquefied, it mixed together more and like more combines than when it's a solid.
So what makes it a solid? Do you know?
Makes it a solid is
bees.
it's hardened.
What is it? Bees.
It's hardened and
Because has in it
it has
beeswax in it.
beeswax. Yeah, it has some sort of wax in it.
Beeswax.
Okay, I know.
Or well, right, you could have different types of wax.
Yeah.
Yep, you're absolutely right.
So
you can have a little bit of shea
that's-
butter, a little bit of
yeah.
shea.
That's why it smells different
Smells
though,
good.
because this is solid. Solids don't mix as well as liquids.
You think so?
That's a fact.
That's a fact.
That's a fact.
That's a fact, Jack. It's a little bit on the harder side. Nice. Look at it. Very nice.
Now I feel like we're gonna do our live streams now, or like the videos. I feel like are we gonna do them on here now?
What, on the GoPro?
Or are we gonna do them so the YouTubers who watch this can see
Well,
them?
this is a video, and the way that this works is you shoot a video, then you put it on YouTube, and then you can also do a live stream, and it goes to YouTube too.
Okay, so no matter what, all right.
Okay, so everybody say goodbye. This was our first, and I believe that we are getting more of these in
Yeah.
the near future. So look for an unboxing from Aleph Male coming in soon.
Yeah, and we have.
And we
I'm
will.
just gonna show it today. So this is gonna be a today thing. Up next, in maybe in a few hours or so, we're gonna have some more beard